Question for y'all. What the fuck do I do about this? What the fuck do I do? Hi, Coco. What are you doing? You stuck? You stuck? You want to come down? I believe in you. I believe in you, Cokes. Well, you're the idiot who got herself stuck up there. It's your own fault. You did it to yourself. You kind of did that to yourself. Cokes. Cokes, you can land that fall. Cokes. Coco. Coco. You can land the fall. Yeah, that's right. You've got it. You've got it. Yes, you do. Yeah, she's thoroughly up there. I don't know what to do. You want help through the window. You can't go through the window. You have to go down. Baby. I know. Come on. I can catch you. Baby. It's okay. Look. You go down. There's a branch. Coco, I believe in you. Coco. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know what to say. This is funny or scary. 'Cause how? Yeah, that's right. Look. You can go down. It's not that far of a drop. It's not that far of a drop, Coco. See, look. You go down. You go down the tree. Camera makes it look farther than it is. Coco. How are you dumb? How are you this dumb? How do you do this? How? How did you even do that? How did you... Coco. Yes. Coco, you need to come down. You can't go through the window. No. You gotta come down. Coco. Kitty. Come on. Look. Coco. You're okay. Oh my goodness, you're so dramatic. Hold on. Hi. She doesn't even want to try to come down.
Oh yeah,
I know. It's kind of funny though.
Is it?
Kind of.
Why does this not work?
Because she's just screaming, basically. It's not even that far of a drop.
What?
It's not even that far of a drop.
She's not gonna jump. She's gonna climb down the tree.
She does not seem like she knows how.
She will.
I know. I just... Oh yeah, the office knows.
Okay. For tomorrow?
Yes.
Well, it's actually at 5 o'clock, so.
Girl.
I thought it was at 8, but it was at 5. So we get to go to school on time! Woo!
What are you doing?
She has a dentist appointment tomorrow, and I thought it was at 8, but it's at 5.
Did you get the mail?
Yeah.
Alright.
No fucking packages, and all my shit's supposed to be here.
Ooh, what'd you order?
I ordered little bigger stopper things to go on the bottom of these. I'm gonna take the ones off and what are they doing up here?
Alright,
flea
Grandpa.
treatment for the animals.
Grandpa may or may not be sending more bubblers because he asked me if I'm out of anything. I said
Hey,
some bubblers.
quit! What time did I do that, Nick? What?
Grandpa might be sending more bubblers because I told him I was out.
Of what?
The bubblers, the sparkling water thingies.
Oh, alright. Well,
'Cause he asked me if I was
He doesn't have any
out.
money right now.
I know. I didn't know that.
He asked you today?
Yeah.
Oh, that's because he gets his check tomorrow. He gets his social security tomorrow, that's why he's asking.
He texted me.
Tell me you need milk too.
Uh,
Just kidding.
Are you gonna hear Coco when she comes to the
Yes,
door?
oh, yeah.
All right. I didn't know because sometimes she just is
I
quiet.
hate cats and she fucking loves them.
I am a cat person.
It's okay, I promise you'll be fine. So is Aaron.
You promise.
Yes. I promise
Pinky.
that most cats would be okay.
Okay, because I'm just concerned
Great.
via Coco's size.
Okay, we gotta do something.
She's pretty small.
I know she's fine.
Okay.
We gotta do something.
When you get her, put her in my room. When you get her, put her in my room. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. She's fucking stuck.